Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we're talking about your Kartra account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add an image carousel into your Kartra landing page? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want an image carousel in your Kartra landing page anyway? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's important to have various testimonials or maybe lots of images of your product to help increase conversion. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Kartra dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Kartra account, and this is the dashboard. Now, in order to add an image carousel into one of your Kartra landing pages, go ahead and click on pages right here on the left. Once you do that, you're going to see all of the landing pages you have in Kartra. You can see I just have this one. And what you want to do is click on these three dots and then click on edit. Okay, next you want to click on this blue edit button. Okay, guys, so next going to bring you here to your Kartra landing page, and we're going to go ahead and edit this and add in an image carousel. So what you want to do is go ahead and just scroll to the general area that you want your image carousel to show up. So for me, maybe I want it right here below the contact form. And then what you're going to do is click on this button here on the left, components. And once you do that, you want to go ahead and look for this button here called carousel. If you don't see it for some reason, don't worry, just type in carousels into the search and then click on enter. Okay, so here it is. So the cool thing about Kartra is basically just drag and drop. So we're going to grab this icon and just drag it right on over. Okay, so now you can drop the image carousel into any one of these orange boxes. So we'll put it right here. Okay, so now we have an image carousel in our Kartra landing page, but we still need to add images. So what you're going to do is go ahead and click on this pencil icon. Okay, so now you get to change it. So do you want it to auto scroll? I do. So I'm going to change this to a blue box and delay slides by 5 seconds. Maybe we'll just do 2 seconds. Okay. And then number of slides, you can do 3, or you can increase it to 12 if you want. That's up to you. And then you can also leave 2 lines of text, or you can go ahead and remove the text completely if you want. And then here we're going to go ahead and click on edit. And this is going to be the first image, second image, and third image. So click on edit. Okay. So you can go ahead and upload more pictures right here. Once you upload them from your computer, it'll be stored here in your Kartra. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to reuse this one. I'm going to click on the blue check mark. Once you click there, it's going to turn green, and then click on confirm. Okay, I'm going to do that for the 3 slides. Okay, so I have all 3 images saved, and then I'm going to go ahead and click on apply here at the bottom. Okay, there we go. Now we have an image carousel. You can see it just starts rotating every 2 seconds. So that's pretty cool, but it doesn't actually take effect on your Kartra landing page until you click on actions here on the top right, and then you want to click on publish live. Okay, next I get this confirmation that it's published live on my Kartra landing page. So now anybody who lands on my Kartra landing page will see that image carousel. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a photo gallery or an image carousel into your Kartra landing page, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.